And now, a look at some of the renovations happening at Pecan Park Elementary School.
Here was an area that we call the greenhouse. The translucent ceiling and translucent greenhouse panels on both sides. They leaked, are installing a new standing seam metal roof and new curtain wall windows on either side. On either side, we removed the stucco. We've installed the vapor barrier. We'll get new exterior doors here. See the black piping that we see everywhere? That's part of the new drainage system to carry the water away from the building. But this section of the building will receive cementous panels instead of the metal wall panels. The entranceway has been squared up. We've installed the vapor barrier. Contractors are starting to install the clip system, the rigid insulation for the new metal wall panels. The concrete here was repoured and the new structural staircase installed. Some of the new air handling units that are being installed in all of the classrooms. The renovations include new chillers, new boilers, all new air handling units for each office space, classroom, the cafeteria. Completion date will be July 15th for all of the interior work. We may be still working on some things exterior like the sidewalks. We get new sidewalks and canopies at each entrance.